Hi, if you've just watched my recent unplugged build, you might be interested to know that I'll be doing some detailed videos showing how I broke down the rough board to start to make the components, how you plane it square before cutting, how to use the various saws I'm using, then how to accurately prepare the parts. They need to be thickness correctly, all to the same size, and of course they need to have square edges. And if you're doing multiple parts, I'll show you how you can save some time with those too. Following that, there'll be some videos on how to measure and mark out correctly. Small errors can multiply in big builds, so it's worth knowing how to do this correctly. And there's a rebate in that recent build, and I'll show you a quick way of making clean rebates. To make sure you catch all these, press the subscribe button and click on the bell. Cheerio!